In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Flow access issues. If Flow won't open, keeps spinning, or certain features are missing, this walkthrough will help you diagnose what's wrong and get back on track quickly. Start by checking account eligibility. Some school or work accounts restrict experimental or AI features, and accounts for users under 18 may have these tools disabled. If you suspect that's the case, switch to a personal Google account. Log out, choose your personal profile, and try again. This one change fixes access problems for a lot of people. Next, make sure Flow has the permissions it needs. It may ask to connect to Drive, Gmail, or Gemini to function properly. If you denied these prompts earlier, Flow can fail to load or behave strangely. Reopen Flow and accept the permission requests. If the prompts don't appear and you still can't proceed, your administrator may have blocked access on managed accounts, in which case a personal account is the quickest path forward. Then, enable Google's smart features. Open Gmail, click the settings gear, and look for smart features options. Turn on smart features as well as Google Workspace smart features. Some Flow capabilities depend on these settings, and toggling them on the icon can instantly restore missing functionality. Use the right device and browser. Flow doesn't fully work on mobile yet, so move to a desktop or laptop. Open Google Chrome for the best compatibility and make sure it's up to date. If you've been building a lot, check usage limits. Too many active flows or recent runs can temporarily throttle you. Disable or delete old flows you don't need, then wait a few minutes before trying again. For general loading issues, try the quick classics. Refresh the page, sign out and back in, clear your browser cache, open an incognito window, or test a different internet connection. These steps resolve most caching and network hiccups. If you can't generate video, shorten long prompts, reduce the number of variables, and try again. If it still fails, it may be a server-side spike. Give it a little time and retry. Confirm that your region supports the specific Flow features you're using, and avoid unstable VPN setups which can cause unexpected errors. When in doubt, apply the most effective quick fix. On a desktop, in Chrome, switch to a personal Gmail, clear cache, re-enable permissions, refresh, and try again after a few minutes. If nothing works, Flow may be temporarily down or still rolling out. Use the send feedback option inside Flow and wait for updates as the product evolves.